the S221 mini combination cable lock. This smaller cable lock is ideal again for securing detachable items from your motorcycle and scooter, and also for securing zipper pulls together. The makeup of this lock is a 1 meter coil steel cable like so, with a loop end that can then be connected to the lockable hook like so. There is a 3-digit combination lock option available here, so you can personalize this to your own 3-key digit. Then to release, you just press the hook here, and that is your mini cable lock. For more information on these or any GIVI products, please contact your local GIVI website. And remember, always ride safe.